Here's a great year Corvette, 1968 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Particular car, Le Mans Blue. Now, as far as paint, shows nice. There are a few little touch-up spots. You can see that one there. And notice down in the door, little spot there also. A few spots where it's been touched up. Overall, shows very nice. Another good thing about this car, numbers matching. V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. That's the way this car would have came from General Motors. Power steering, power brakes also. Of course, the 68, you got the chrome bumpers up front and in the rear, riding on the rally style wheels. Goodyear radials. Nice looking car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the top, you can see the engine bay, check out underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. I believe 69 would have been the last year with a push button door opener there. Bucket seats, 4-speed. I also noticed the clock works in this one. Aftermarket AM/FM cassette player. Radio does also work. A few of the other things, I'll show you headlights. We're going to flip up the top here in a little bit, check out the black vinyl top on it. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust. I'm going to start it up so you can hear it too. Nice sounding car, no crazy cam, no loud exhaust, anything like that. Just a nice sounding Corvette. Once again, Unique Classic Cars is where you can see the pictures at. That link down below this video in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you there. Rear bumper I was going to show you does show its age a little bit, which I'm assuming is probably the original. Also, the tail light lenses, a little bit of kind of fading or a little bit of age to them from being in the sun. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this car. Carpeting, door panels, all in nice shape. Seat, a little bit of a wear spot right in the center, but overall, not bad. This is a tough fabric, kind of a black, a vinyl, leather combo, if you will. Alright, let's go ahead and start this up. Of course, the key's still in the dash on the 68. Starts easily. You see pressure gauge works. Gas gauge comes up. Battery, I haven't had it running enough to have that water temp come up. But there you can see the clock was also working. Tack working over here. Let's go ahead, pop the lights. See them come up here shortly. There they are. And also wanted to mention the wiper door and wipers. I'll show you that also. Go ahead and close them up. They'll go back down and it shuts. So, and as far as those two lights on, one's because I have the door open and the other one is because I don't have my seatbelt on. So those will go off. We're going to check out this engine bay too. So let's pop the hood, slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Both taillights working. Yeah, nice sounding. Dual exhaust again, no crazy obnoxious exhaust, just a nice little rumble coming out of that. Let's go ahead and lift this hood a second here. So again, power brakes, power steering, numbers matching in with the pictures. You'll be able to see where that is stamped on the engine. I do have that in there. Headlights working, of course. And to this side, little chrome dress-up, valve covers, air cleaner. As you can see, nice tidy engine bay and runs out well. Now I tell you what, I'm gonna put those lights back down, close the hood, and I want to flip the top up so you can check that out too, and then we'll end this video. Hood's buttoned up, and I got the top up here so we can take a look at it. Black vinyl, nice shape, all but one little spot I'll show you in the back by the rear window here, but as you can see, fits nice. Nice shape. Come around to the rear, so that rear window is plastic, but obviously you can see through it. It's a nice shape. Not real discolored, anything like that. There's a good shot of it. Now the one spot right down here where, you know, how much do you drive these things in the rain or with the top up? Anyway, number one. Number two, you could probably take good adhesive tape from the inside and tidy that up just a little bit, because the rest of the top's in such nice shape. Don't think it really 100% needs to be replaced. And like I said, how much do you have these out in the rain? I don't think it's going to be a real major problem. So there you go. Get a good look at the whole car now, the top up. 1968 Chevrolet Corvette, hood 4-speed car. Original Le Mans blue. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Check out all the pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.